In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request your data from Pinterest. Understanding how to access your data is crucial if you're keen on knowing what information the platform holds about you, or if you simply want to download your personal data for your records. This process is not only straightforward, but also ensures that you have control over your digital footprint. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to head over to Pinterest. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, you may be prompted to log in if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and you'll be redirected to your Pinterest feed, filled with all the images and videos that cater to your interests. This step is the starting block to accessing your profile settings, where we'll initiate the data request process. Now that you're logged in and on the home page, navigate to your profile. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the screen, represented by your profile picture or an icon that signifies your account. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal Pinterest space, showcasing all your saved pins, boards, and activities. From here, you'll want to click on View Profile, which provides a more detailed look at your profile specifics. Once you're viewing your profile, the next action is to edit it. You'll see an option labeled Edit Profile, which is often to the left or right of your screen depending on your device. Click this option to open up a range of settings and personal information you can modify. Scrolling through these options gives you a glimpse into what Pinterest has stored about your profile, but for the purpose of this video, we're focusing on getting your data. In this section, you'll want to locate the Privacy and Data settings. Here, Pinterest allows you to control your privacy preferences and manage the data associated with your account. As you scroll down through this section, you'll notice an option to Request Data. Clicking on this is your gateway to initiating a full data request from Pinterest. By requesting your data, Pinterest will compile the necessary information related to your account and activity and send it to you, often in the form of a downloadable link or email notification. And just like that, you're done. It might take Pinterest some time to process your request and deliver your data, so a bit of patience is required. Whether you're consolidating personal records or checking what's being tracked, knowing how to perform this task empowers you as a user. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, managing your online presence is key to digital security and awareness. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore more about Pinterest's features and settings for a more enriched experience.